Okay. All right. Let me go through the whole process of what happens when you die, and we'll cover those things in it. When you die, you become aware in another virtual reality. So your body dies and you wake up, sort of like we're no longer in Kansas. You're in a different place. And that is called the transition reality, and it's another virtual reality. You tend to have a little anxiety at that point, particularly if you come with fear, like, oh, is this hell or is this heaven? So there's some anxiety with it, or maybe it was a traumatic accident that you weren't planning to die, it just suddenly overcame you. But in any case, you will run into something, there'll be some strategy there to help you relax and let go of your past life. So it could be the light at the end of the tunnel, all the things that the people who have the near-death experiences do. That's kind of the beginning of this pathway. Often there's the light and you get this intuition, that would be the larger conscious system sending you a message, move toward the light. So you do, and then as you do, you find, Aunt Susie and Uncle Fred, there to greet you, and because they passed on 10 years earlier, and they're smiling and they're happy and they're obviously having a good time, so it couldn't be too bad there. So these things are done just to put you at ease, make you feel relaxed, and let go. Your previous life begins to fade immediately, just like dreams do. You wake up from a dream, the instant you wake up, it's perfectly clear. 30 seconds later, it's a little fuzzy. A minute later, it's a lot fuzzy. And 5 minutes later, what was that dream about? I only remember a couple of major things, but all the detail disappears. So that's the way your memory of the last life just begins to fade like a dream.